Recently, as we all know, that Jisoo has released an English version of her song, Earthquake, and she also performed the song in one of her concerts. Since she has released the English version, she is being badly criticized and she was also being trolled. This happened because netizens think that her English pronunciation is awful and she should stop singing in English if she doesn't know how to, because everybody likes it when somebody is not always after Western attention, and also it makes them feel that K-pop still exists. What are your thoughts upon this? Do you like it?